Hey guys, welcome to Nathan's Toy Review, and today, you guys can see that we have some model train stuff, and today we're going to do some unboxing, which this is actually Mother's Day 2019, and, what I got is, well, I actually got this stuff yesterday at the model train show, and I really love this. Wait, is that in the video? Mm-hmm. I really love this Kansas City Southern, which we'll look at all the details once it's unboxed. And also, I found this, well, my mom found this Canadian National Intermodal card. So, let's unbox. Which I will be able to do the normal video still because it's super easy to unbox these. See? There. Now.
This just comes right off.
Oh yeah.
Remember how he told you how to pick it up?
Oh, it's heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Heavy. Oh man.
Take this out.
Yeah.
And then you can see.
Here it is. Which
Go more this way.
here it is. Which this is actually a dual engine, which means it can run on either like Bachmann Easy Track or DCC. So, yeah, this engine will be in use a lot on my way out now that I finally have a modern engine. The other diesel engines that I had were just like F7s, and I was like, when can I get a modern diesel engine? And 2019 was the year. So, let's put that, where can I put it? Back in there. Yeah. And now we are going to unbox the intermodal card. Hold on. For some reason the train cars are a little bit harder. Hold on. Wait, no. It's on this side.
Yeah, so wait.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh. Okay. Wow. This. Huh? What's this?
I think that's probably just to protect the wheels. Yeah, that's just to protect the wheels while it's in there. Those are just plastic pieces to protect the wheels.
Okay.
That's actually a pretty stout car. It's pretty made of metal.
Wow. I never knew it was going to be like that, but we finally have a car to carry our containers.
It's pretty awesome. Alright, later on we'll do a video of him running on the track.
Yeah. Bye.